guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are seeing this face for the very first time, hi, this is Alekia. I make videos on fashion, beauty and lifestyle. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to it. Hit that notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload a video. And also I'm super duper active on my Instagram page. I'll mention the handle somewhere over the screen and also in the description box. Please do check it out and follow me over there. Today's topic is all about makeup and makeup. I'll get really very excited whenever I speak about makeup. I don't know why. We'll be discussing about beginner's makeup kit, like what all the products you need to have if you are a beginner. So let's not make this intro any longer. Let's get into the video. If you're a beginner and you don't know from where to start, I think this video will be really very helpful for you guys. So let's see what all the products you need to have if you are a beginner. Start with a primer. What a primer basically does is like it just smoothens your skin and it just gives the blurred effect to your skin and helps your makeup to stay really very long time. I have a very love and hate relationship with it. I sometimes use it, I sometimes don't use it. It completely depends on my mood and the time. If you wanna buy it, there are so many good primers as of now. Lakme has a good primer and Nykaa has a very good primer and even Colorbar one has a good primer. Let's move on to the next product. Foundation, BB cream, CC cream, whatever works for you. I choose for a foundation. If you are buying a foundation for the very first time, then I would suggest you to go to a store and buy it rather than buying it on online, because the shade ranges may be a little bit confusing for the first time. And also, don't go too light or too dark for your skin. Just make sure that you are matching your skin and neck. There are so many good foundations in the market right now. If I have to suggest you anything, then I would suggest you a Maybelline Fit Me foundation. It's like bomb.com. The formulation, everything is like so good and it's easy for you to build it up. As a beginner, it would be easy for you. Let's move on to the next product, which is concealer. Now, this is also very optional. If you have a really very dark circles and pigmentation issues or acne scars, then you can use for a concealer or a color corrector. Both does the same job. Very clear skin and you don't have any dark circle issues or any acne scars, then you can completely avoid it. You can use your foundation. It does it. So when it comes to concealer, I would suggest you to go with Maybelline Age Rewind one and Elegal Pro HD concealer. I guess if I'm not wrong, I guess Elegal Pro concealer. The next must-have product, which is mascara. According to me, you definitely should have a mascara. Like, the mascara transforms your look from like normal look to an elegant look. It just effortlessly, you're transforming your look into more stylish or more put together way. Mascaras, I would suggest you to go with Maybelline mascara. I don't remember the exact name. I'll try to add a picture over here. That mascara works really very good. And also the recent crush of everybody, L'Oreal Lash Paradise. This mascara works really great. You need to definitely try this too. Next product will be a neutral eyeshadow palette. Eyeshadow palette will have very basic colors like the browns or the minimum of pinks or the natural color. If you don't want to play too much and you just want to stick with the basics, then this palette will be really very helpful for you guys. If you don't want whole entire palette and you will only stick to some basic colors, then you can go with some single eyeshadow palettes. That will be really very helpful. So neutral eyeshadow palette, which I would suggest you guys to see, is a Wet n Wild Rose in the Air palette. It's not too pricey, and also you'll get so many color variants in it. And you can definitely the pigmentation will be really very good. Product is a brow product. Never be a huge difference between a well-groomed brow and not so well-groomed brow. It just definitely transforms your look from one to definitely into another. You will look even more beautiful with a well-defined brows. I can promise you on that. If you don't want to invest on a brow product at the starting, then you can use your neutral eyeshadow palette. It will definitely have a brown color in it. You can use it as a filler or you can even use your mascara as a filler. Eyebrow filler. If you feel like no, I should definitely use a brow product, then you can go with a Nykaa brow pencil, brow filler. I don't remember the name. And also like a Tri Sugar one is good. And you can even go with the Etude House. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it in the right way or not. Please correct me if I'm wrong. Etude House one is also really very good. I think it's around 200 or something. I'm a bit gajni, I just forget things very easily, so just don't mind. So let's move on to the next product, which for lipstick. Like, you should definitely have them. It is a very basic product and you can go with whatever your taste, like cream one or matte finish or liquid lipsticks or a gloss or lip tinted one, anything you want. Just have a very good lipstick. Let's move on to the next product, which is contouring and blushing. You can get these two products in one single palette. I think Trisugar has one. I don't remember anything as of now except Trisugar. But yeah, Trisugar has one such palette which has contouring and blush thing. So you can use both the products in a one single palette, which is economically very friendly. And if you feel like you're investing too much, then you can always use your neutral eyeshadow palette for your contouring and your lipstick as a blush. I'm giving very economical friendly hacks. Last product will be your setting spray. The setting spray will literally help your makeup to stay for a very long time, and it just removes the excess of any product. Like if you apply over foundation or over blush or over contour, anything that will be excess will be removed. So setting spray is a must product. NYX has a very good setting spray, and also Faces Canada one is like really very brilliant. So yeah, if you want, you can definitely try any of these. And I'm gonna give you a small economical hack. Like, rather than buying a primer, a setting spray, you can combine both these in one single product, where MAC has Prep and Prime bottle or spray, whatever you call. MAC has a small bottle, costs around 900ish. I don't remember. As I said, I'm a Gajni. It costs around 900, which is a small bottle. I don't even remember the ml. But yeah, you can use it as a primer and also a setting spray. So for today's video, guys, I hope you all liked it. If you do like it, please give this video a huge thumbs up and like, share, comment, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload video. See you soon, guys. Bye.